How to get a donation button in please donate. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Roblox account, and here you have to click on the manages my experience. Now once you are here you have to click on the public place and click on these three dots and go on the create badge. Now once you are in, you have to create a badge. Firstly, you have to add the name of the badge and also add the description, like I am adding the test for the donation. You have to add the name and also add the description. After adding this, you have to also upload the image and open this. Now you have to scroll down and create a badge. Once the badge is created, you have to click on the passes, and here you have to create a pass. Here you have to repeat the same process. Firstly, you have to add the image, and after this you have to add the name and also add the description and create a pass. Once you create it, you have to add the donation button in your game, and after creating, if someone click on this, you will get the free donation. So yeah, this is how you can get a donation button in the please donate.